guys, Keto for Real Life People, and today I am going to show you how I make my Keto Chow shakes. I'm making 3 shakes so that I have a whole day prepared, and it is so easy. All you have to do is add water, Keto Chow mix of your choice of flavor, and then just add your favorite fat. So I'm doing 3 shakes, so I'm doing 42 ounces of water. I'm doing 3 scoops of the Keto Chow natural strawberry today. And then my favorite fat is butter. I just melt 1 stick of butter and I pour it in. That makes like 96 grams of fat for me for the day. And that's the wonderful thing about Keto Chow. You get to control how much fat, what kind of fat, or combinations of fat. So there's like so many flavors, and another great thing about these is that they will hold up in your fridge for like 7 to 10 days. So you can make up as many as you want. Sometimes I want to just do Keto Chow for the day. Sometimes I just want to do 1 Keto Chow and 1 meal. Sometimes it's 2 Keto Chows in a meal, or vice versa. But I love the fact that I can control how much fat I'm eating. So get your Keto Chow, mix it up with your favorite fats, stick it in the fridge, and you can stay in control of your portions. You can control your fat, and you can enjoy convenience. I hope you enjoyed my little shake it up day. Thank you.